In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change PDF background color. So let's get started. We are going to change the background of this PDF file. At present, background color is white and we will change it to some different color. First, we will convert this PDF into Word document. Then we will change background color and then we will again convert it back to PDF file. Let's first convert this PDF to Word document. To do that, simply right-click the PDF file and take your mouse over Open with option. Here you will find certain apps with which you can open PDF file, but we are going to use Microsoft Word application. As the Word app is not in the list, just click Choose another app. From the app list, click Word and click just once. You will get a pop-up saying Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just click OK and your PDF will open in Word document. Now go to Design tab in the top toolbar. On the right, you will find an option Page Color. Just click on it. From here, choose the page background color of your choice. Once done, click File and then click Save As. Now click Browse and choose the location to save the file. Important thing is to select Save As type to PDF. Now click Save and your PDF will be saved. So this is our PDF with white background and this is the one with different background color. So that is how you can change PDF background color. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.